Now, I request our principal ma'am, Mrs. Kameshwari ma'am, to please come here to address the crowd.
Namaskaram, Namaste, the galaxy of intellectuals, invited guests, parents, teachers, and my dear students, an excellent morning to all. On behalf of Kidzonia family, a very warm welcome to all. I welcome Mr. Shahid Raza Sheikh sir, the chairperson of Kidzonia International Preschools, one of the 10 most promising preschools and daycares in Hyderabad. The vision of Kidzonia is to create individuals who can think inquisitively and hence have the capability to bring a progressive change in the society. The mission is in helping the children become better inspired and gain confidence. I welcome Mrs. Nilofar Sheikh ma'am, the founder and director of Kidzonia International Preschools. She is the pillar and strength of Kidzonia family. Now, Kidzonia has joined hands with Credence, a company whose vision is to inspire and enable children to live a more enriching and meaningful life with broader, bolder, holistic, and international standard education. Their mission is to build a constructive system of education that aims at giving a purpose-driven life to a child which is beyond jobs and rote learning and has a larger purpose to make a positive contribution to the society at large. We hope this new venture, KCIS, Kidzonia Credence International School, will get the same support and love from all of you and make the school one of the premier schools of Hyderabad. I also welcome Mrs. Praveena and Mr. P. Munendra, our new franchisee directors of Kidzonia International Preschool, Chandanagar branch. Now, the Chandanagar branch is being relocated to a bigger campus with better facilities. We also hope that you will keep on showering the same love and support for this new beginning. Welcome to the Kidzonia family, ma'am and sir. I also welcome all the dignitaries, parents, our beloved students, teachers who have put their heart and soul in making this event a memorable one. It gives us immense pleasure to have all of you as a guest for this much awaited day. Today is a momentous occasion as we are celebrating our 5th annual day event. The annual day is an annual event in our school calendar and it is a special occasion as it provides a window to the world so that it can see the school in its true form and true color. We are here to celebrate the strengths of our children, celebrate the musical and dancing talents of our children. It is very well said, a child's life is like a piece of paper on which every person leaves a mark. They are molded by the hands that are placed in. So we make sure that these little pieces of art are turned into a masterpiece. Once again, I welcome the august gathering and wish that today's events leave an indelible mark in your memory. Before we start the program, let's pay tribute to the CRPF personnel who were killed in Pulwama on Thursday, 14 Feb 2019, in one of the deadliest terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. I request everybody to stand up and observe a 2-minute silence for all those martyrs. Thank you. You may all be seated. The stage is all set to unfold a celebration of vision, a starburst of colors, joy, and splendor. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to our little ones who are also eager to welcome you all in their respective mother tongue. A lot of research has suggested learning one's mother tongue not only connects them to the culture and history, but also facilitates better learning. Thank you.
Speech, we have Charita from Junior KG. Charita, come here. She comes here with a bright smile.
Good morning to one and all present today on this special occasion of our fifth annual day celebration, Rasmatas 2019. We are very proud and happy to celebrate this day. On behalf of our school, I Sai Charita of class LKG extend a hearty welcome, big and warm, enough to encompass you all. To say we are thrilled to see you is an understatement. The theme for this year is disco. Disco is music for dancing. Life is like a disco ball. No matter how the music changes, you keep dancing. So sit back and have a well of your time. It is the time to chill, cheer, to shine, inspire, and be inspired, and be inspired. Let's start the ball rolling. Thank you.
I couldn't have done a better job than her. Thank you so much, Charita. Next, we have Akanksha for the Hindi speech. Akanksha from Junior KG. Akanksha, come down.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आकांक्षा है। मैं कक्षा जूनियर केजी की छात्री हूँ। स्वागत है आप सभी का इस प्यारे सी शानदार सी झिलमिलाती शाम में, जिसको खास सजाई है कि दुनिया ने आप लोगों के लिए कुछ मेरी सुनिए, कुछ अपनी कहिए, अपने कदमों को कदमों से मिलाइए और कि दुनिया का वार्षिकोत्सव के रंग में रंग चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. And for the Telugu speech, we have Shanvika from Junior KG again. Hi.
అందరికీ స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. నా పేరు షన్విత. నేను జూనియర్ కేజీ చదువుతున్నాను. ఇవాళ మా జూనియర్ పాఠశాలలో 5వ వార్షికోత్సవానికి విచ్చేసిన పెద్దలకు, తల్లిదండ్రులకు, మిత్రులకు అందరికీ మా స్వాగతం. మా నృత్యాలతో మిమ్మల్ని ఆనందింపచేస్తామని కోరుతున్నాము. మీరందరూ కలిసి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని వీక్షించి విజయవంతంగా చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాము. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you so very much. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I just have to get back. I'm just in the same zone. Thank you so much, Anvika. She doesn't want to leave the stage now. Do you want to take my job? Already? Shanvika, let's go. Come. Okay, and now you'll have to wait a little more for the performances. Before we start that, I would want to hand over the mic once again to Mrs. Kameshwari, ma'am.
Yeah. First, let me just welcome Mrs. and Mr. Sabu. They are our chief guests, so they are special guests. So, welcome, ma'am and sir. Yes. It's that moment where we appreciate our staff for their constant support and who have been a backbone of the Kidzonia family. I request Mrs. and Mr. Sabu, Mr. Shahid Raza Sheikh, and Mrs. Nilofer Sheikh, ma'am, to felicitate them. I request ma'am, sir, and Shahid sir to come onto the stage. And ma'am, yes, please come. Yes. Let me call upon Mrs. Pushpalata, who is being awarded as the best coordinator. She has single-handedly managed the branch and has been a part of the Kidzonia family for the last 5 years.
Okay, let me tell you guys, today is her birthday. So normally she sings every day for the kids, the birthday song. Why can't we all sing the birthday song today for her? Yes? So everybody, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pushpa.
Ma'am, happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you. And once again, a very happy birthday, ma'am.
Please, just sir. Now let me call upon Mrs. Kavita Dasari, who is being awarded as the best teacher. She has always been patient and empathetic and also been a part of the Kidzonia family for the last 3 years. Now I call upon Mrs. Sana Sultana. She has been a part of the Kidzonia family for the last 5 years and she is being awarded as the best assistant teacher. Mrs. Sana Sultana, ma'am, please come onto the stage. Okay. So, she's just coming, parents. Yes, she's there. So, let's give a huge round of applause to Mrs. Sana Sultana. She's being awarded as the best assistant teacher and she has been a part of the Kidzonia family for the last 5 years. Okay, thank you. Now let me call upon Munna sir. I don't think he needs any introduction. He has been a constant support and helped us in all our events. He is our right-hand man and indispensable person. So give a huge round of applause to Munna sir. Finally, let me call upon Mr. K. Nagaraju sir, who is our Taekwondo master and is always ready to help us whenever required. Okay, thank you sir. Thank you ma'am. Yes, thank you parents.
Senior KG kids coming up onto the stage. So a huge round of applause for these kids for the first performance of this morning. So let's welcome our senior KG kids.
सदा अभयमय्यन्दिच्चरा नी चेति साय 2, 1.
శ్రీయాంజనేయం భజే వజ్రగాయం సదా రక్షగా కాపాడని నీ నామధేయం శ్రీయాంజనేయం భజే వాయుపుత్రం సదా అభయమై అందించరా నీ చేతి సాయం
Always. I mean, I love Kidzonia's Razmata's events because it's a nice feast to watch all these kids perform. Seriously, all of them are so cute. So next, it's a disco party, and don't you think we must have the disco dancers here on stage now? Yes. Loving the performance? It's just one. We have many more to come. So the next performance is by the disco dancers of Playgroup. Let's welcome them. We'll just take a couple of minutes to clear these properties and get the kids here. So all of you get ready for the disco party now.
Will you sing with me? Say D. D. Say I. Say S. C. O.
I am a disco
everybody once again. We have amongst us one of the co-founders of Credence EduTech. So I welcome Mr. Sudhir Kukreja. I already told you about Credence EduTech, that we have partnered with Credence EduTech and we have just come up with Kidzonia Credence International School. So I welcome you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now after the disco dancers performance, now we have the nursery kids, Disco Diwanis, coming on stage now for the next performance. And as you all can see, it is a real struggle to let them, to get them all here and make them dance is a big thing, very big thing. I don't know how these teachers, they need to have a lot of patience, especially when it's the junior KG or nursery or playgroup kids. So hats off to all these teachers. Can we give all the teachers a huge round of applause for the great job that they're doing? Yes, so now the next performance, as I already told you, is by the nursery kids, the Disco Diwanis, coming up next.
2, 1.
My loving is the way to go. My loving is the way to go. Well, I'm on the way the time. All I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right things to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Oh, oh, when you roll with a player like me, with a brother like me, girl, there is no other. No need to talk it right here, no spark it right here, keep it undercover. Come along for your picture, now your brothers and your fatty, now your jeans, I'm a wild discover. Everything about you, baby girl, can you hear when me utter? Well, I'm on the way this time. All I wanna be keeping you warm.
So next we have another group of nursery kids coming up onto the stage for another disco style performance, and they're going to perform on Tamma Tamma. So we just have to wait for the next nursery group. They're all ready, and again we'll need a couple of minutes to set the properties. And all those parents whose kids just performed, please go to the pickup point in next 5 minutes to pick your kids from the pickup point. Not now, in next 5 minutes, please. So I guess we're gonna have a special performance now. The properties seem very interesting.
नमस्ते बहनों और भाइयों, बड़े ही कम शब्दों में आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ उस साल का लोकप्रिय गीत ये।
Control. Wait a minute.
Shake your body, girl.
ऊपर चढ़े या नीचे उतरे।
3, 2, 1, kill it.
చణు తది గిడ తగ చణు తరి గిట తదరిన తది ఆనందం తనవని తలపుగ ఎదలను కలుపగ మొదలిక మళ్ళీ గీత గోవిందం. ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వాలాలే ఇకపై తిరనాళ్ళే గుండెల్లోన వేగం పెంచావే గుమ్మంలోకి హోలీ తెచ్చావే నువ్వు పక్కనుంటే ఇంతేనేమోనే నాకొక్కో గంట ఒక్కో జన్మే మళ్ళీ పుట్టి చేస్తున్నాను. ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వాళ్ళవే ఇకపై తిరనాళ్ళే తది గిడ తగ చణు తది గిడ తగ చణు తరి గిట తదరిన తది ఆనందం తలవని తలపుగ ఎదలను కలుపగ మొదలిక మళ్ళీ గీత గోవిందం.
అమెరికా గాలైనా అత్తిలి గాలైనా యూరప్ గాలైనా యానాం గాలైనా అమెరికా గాలైనా అత్తిలి గాలైనా యూరప్ గాలైనా యానాం గాలైనా చైనా కెన్యా జార్జియా లిబియా ఆస్ట్రేలియా పాకిస్తాన్ హిందుస్థాన్ ఉజ్బెకిస్తాన్ ఏ గాలైనా
తది గిడ తగ చణు తది గిడ తగ చణు తరి గిట తదరిన తది ఆనందం తనవని తలపుగ ఎదలను కలుపగ మొదలిక మళ్ళీ గీత గోవిందం. ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వాడాలే ఇకపై తిరనాళ్ళే గుండెల్లోన వేగం పెంచావే గుమ్మంలోకి హోలీ తెచ్చావే నువ్వు పక్కనుంటే ఇంతేనేమోనే నాకొక్కో గంట ఒక్కో జన్మే మళ్ళీ పుట్టి చేస్తున్నాను. ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వాడాలే ఇకపై తిరనాళ్ళే తది గిడ తగ చణు తది గిడ తగ చణు తరి గిట తదరిన తది తలపుగ ఎదలను కలుపగ మొదలిక మళ్ళీ గీత గోవిందం.
Woo! How bad? Okay, how many of you are unmarried here? How many of you are not married? Just one person, two, very few raising their hands. What about the remaining ones? You're like half married? So you did not raise your hands when I asked if you're married. And you did not even raise your hands when I asked if you're not married. So what are you guys? In the middle of something, still trying to figure out if you're married or no? No response. You can respond back. Everyone, are you listening? Oh, wonderful. So at least I'm not that bad of an anchor. Okay, so we have a lot of couples here. Why can't we have any 4 couples here on this stage for a small game? Any 4 couples? Wonderful. We have one coming up onto the stage already. 3 more couples. Couples, please. It's okay. You guys join. 3 more couples. Yes, more couple. One last. One more couple, please. Great. Hello. You need to come here with your partner. Do you have a girlfriend?
Mummy.
Mummy is his girlfriend. Wow. Okay, please come here. Okay, your name, please.
Anusha.
కిషోర్
Anusha, Kishore.
అను
Anu.
Rajni.
Rajini, that's my mom's name. So I will definitely remember your name.
Praveen.
Praveen.
Rashmita.
Subramanyam.
Subramanyam.
Bindu.
Bindu. Okay. So how many years has it been that you're married?
9.
I'm asking the husbands. No, no. Let them answer. 9 years? Okay. Because husbands don't remember. So how many years?
4 years.
4. Wrong. You would have a great time after going back home. You, sir?
4 years, 2 months, and 3 days.
Okay. It's keeping good track. And you, sir?
6 years.
6 years. Great. So we have the senior most couple, which is 9 years. So all 4 of you, I'm going to give you a task each. Whoever does the given task very well will get a gift. Okay? Ready? So let's start with you. I need some music, some old song or a romantic song. Don't worry, it's not dance. Can you please come here? And you, sir, you have to go that side. Yeah, please stay here. Yes, right here. Now, wait. I'll tell you. So, పాత సినిమాల్లో చూస్తుండే కదా the olden movies slow motion में भागते हुए जाता है हीरो हीरोइन के पास. So, yeah, that she is your heroine, right? He's like, again the same old person. Yes. So आपको स्लो मोशन में भागते हुए उनके पास जाना है और उनको एक किस देना है. Yeah? Making them remember their old, young days. You still young. Yeah. As in the 16 years or maybe 17 years of age. Yes, and now music, please.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद.
That's lovely. Thank you so much. And now, why don't you guys come? Please. No, it's not the same task. Relax, I'll tell you what the task is. Please come here. Please. Okay, so you said 4 years, 6 years. 6 years, right? Okay. Very simple. You just have to propose to your wife. Okay, in a very romantic way.
क्या बोले ప్రపంచం ఎంత ఉన్నా సరే, ఎంతమంది ఉన్నా సరే, నువ్వుంటే నాకు చాలు, అదే ప్రపంచం. ఐ లవ్ యూ బేబీ.
I love you too.
Lovely. He was saying I love you to her and was looking at me. Kidding. Very nice. And you both, please. Okay, so sing a song for your partner.
एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई. एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई.
You are a great singer. Thank you so much. And now the final couple. Please, please come here. Again, music, the task is pretty simple. You just have to lift your wife and take her romantic round and put her back safely. Yeah, the ambulance is ready outside, don't worry. And music, please. That is your task. You can do it, go on.
रब ने बनाया इन्ना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया इन्ना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया इन्ना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया आवा जावा ते मैं यारा नू मनावा ते मैं यारा नू मनावा
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so very much. And now, you are the judges. You have to tell me, whom do I give the gift? Just getting the gift. Meanwhile, you guys decide. Whom should I, which couple gets this gift? Okay, let's see. All four. Okay, maybe free snacks again. Okay, no, wait. Let me check how many gifts do we have here. Okay. So, the winners cannot be all of them. I really, even me personally, loved all four of them, but best two. Okay? So now you guys tell me, how many votes for this couple? Raise your hand so I'll know. Okay. And for this couple, it's almost the equal. And for this couple, of course, a lot of struggle, right? And for this couple. Oh, so it's clear. I'm so sorry, guys, and congratulations, congratulations. Thank you so much. I wish I could have given you the gift, but you were wonderful. Thank you so very much.